My name is Randall Englund. I want to share with you an organic model for building a complete project manager molecule. We start with the triple constraints of project management: scope, schedule, and resources. And as you can see, we've got multiple projects going on in a portfolio of projects that are happening in the organization. Our first element we're going to add is leadership and management skills, the ability to be both a leader and a manager. Next, we add personal skills, the ability to influence people through the principles of influence. Then we come up with negotiating skills. This is a lifelong, invaluable skill to have. That's followed by political skills. Every environment we work is going to have political activities and need to develop political sensitivity. Conflict is inevitable, so we need to have conflict management skills. And then, of course, there are the project management skills, the people skills that rest upon the project management body of knowledge. Then, let's have fun. It's important to include humor and fun as part of the project management activity. Organizational skills are the next one to add. Assess if you have a perfect organizational storm. And then you want to add environmental skills, be able to know are you have a green or a toxic environment of interactions among people. And that's followed by change management skills. It's important to be able to manage change because it is always going to be present. You need to have skills in order to do the best in doing that. And then, of course, we always need to have sales skills. Be able to influence other people by selling them on your ideas and everything that's going to be important there. And then that's followed by market and then customer knowledge skills. Customers are the ones who pay our bills. We need to be able to be sensitive to those market forces. Then we need to close the loop and be able to integrate all these things together and be able to have a complete project management molecule. This is what it looks like. We've closed the loop. It's going to be much more important to be effective as you put these things in place. We started with the basic project management model, and then we built upon that by adding these 13 skills where we can integrate all of them together from multiple disciplines and be more complete as a project manager. When you're more complete, you can get more done more effectively and avoid the problems that occur when you're incomplete. Thank you.